Hi guys. A lot of you haven't ever had the chance to take a full-length ACT test to kind of gauge where you're at on those ACT scores. And so now that you have a little bit of time on your hands, there's an opportunity online where you can take a full-length ACT and get some feedback on how you're doing. And so I want to show you how to do that in today's video. To start off, you're going to go to the TestNav website. If you just type in TestNav, it'll take you to this website. And if you click on the link, it'll take you to a page that looks very much like the one that I have pulled up right here. You're going to click on the ACT, and it's going to go ahead and ask you for a username and password. You do not need to create an account. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't create an account for this right now. Instead, just click down on the bottom where it says Practice Tests. Here I can go ahead and just choose which test I want to take. I'm going to take the English test. I can do it timed or untimed, and I can even do it text-to-speech if I would like to. I'm going to choose the timed version of this test, and then I'll just enter my name. Notice that this is section 1. There are 75 questions, and then I'm going to click Start. Go ahead and start the test. And you'll see at the top corner here now it's giving me a time. And then I'll also just be able to click into the questions. I'll go ahead and work through the problems of this test. Now what's really great about this TestNav website is this is the same website, the same format that you would take the ACT if you end up taking it for your state assessment. So this gives you an opportunity to get into the software, to play around with the tools like the bookmark tool, the pointer, the crossing out or eliminating answer tool, and so you can do that for each one of those tests. When you're finished with the test, I'm just going to go ahead and sign out, and I will finish this test later. And then I can just move on to another test. I can go ahead and take the math test, the science test, the reading test, and the writing test. So again, just go to TestNav, TestNav.com, and you'll be able to get into these practice tests. It gives you a great opportunity to see where you're at if you were to actually take the ACT. And you can use this information in conjunction with some of the other online tools that are available to you. For example, which On to College course are you going to take? You can use the results of your ACT practice tests to help determine which is the right test for you. If you have any questions at all, feel free to shoot me an email at amber.myers@ssccards.org, and I'll be glad to answer those questions for you.